irrigation projects. And Minister of State for Defence Subhash Bhamre inaugurates Cashless Week in Dhule district. Thank you, Rukma. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. And now let's see the news in detail. Maharashtra government has accepted National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development's funding for 23 irrigation projects in form of long-term loan. The decision would bring 7,242.74 crore rupees for the completion of irrigation projects, according to a government resolution released today. The GR further stated that NABARD would charge an annual interest of 6% over the loan. As per negotiation between NABARD and state officials, the government would get a grace period of first 3 years from the commencement of the work. The NABARD has permitted a period of 15 years for completion of all the pending projects. After the completion, there will be a period of 15 years for repayment of the loan amount. Once the projects are completed, the State Water Resources Department is asked to submit a completion certificate to NABARD. And in an effort to push towards embracing digital transaction, Minister of State for Defence Subhash Bhamre today inaugurated Cashless Week in Songir village of Dhule district in Maharashtra. The Cashless Week is intended to educate villagers on digital transaction. While inaugurating the program, Bhamre said that government is working towards corruption-free India and bringing transparency in business. Bhamre further spoke on the benefits of going cashless. The event was organized by district unit of Bharatiya Yuva Morcha. And the BPCL today launched customer awareness campaign in Mumbai to promote usage of cashless mode of payment at petrol pumps. Addressing the event, BJP Mumbai President Ashish Shelar applauded the initiative of BPCL to boost demonetization drive which was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In keeping with government's policy, BPCL has embarked upon an intensive program to promote cashless transaction at its petrol pumps in Maharashtra. The Public Concern for Governance Trust had organized an award ceremony in Pune. The awards were felicitated to honest and hardworking government staff and officers. The chairman of the trust, N.C. Nagpal, appreciated the lion's share of sincere and hardworking government employees which have contributed to increased work capacity after the new technology adoption in various government outlets. The award were delivered to each of the 2 staff members of officers from the Railway, Passport, Transport and Police Department.
हम किसी ईमानदार, किसी एफिशिएंट ऑफिसर या स्टाफ का सम्मान करें, क्योंकि अब तक तो हम उनको रंगे हाथों पकड़ने का काम करते रहे और करप्ट लोगों को पकड़ते रहे, लेकिन किसी ने ये कभी नहीं सोचा कि ईमानदार लोगों को भी पुरस्कृत करना चाहिए। तो हमने पहली बार जो सोचा कि हम ये प्रोग्राम करें।
With just few days left for the new year 2016 to end, celebrities are sharing their memories exclusively with DD News along with a New Year message. Let us listen in what stars have to say for welcoming New Year's Day.
वो साल था 2016, उसमें पूरी दुनिया ही बदल गई। जहाँ तक पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो है, जहाँ तक इकोनॉमिक सिनेरियो है, तो ये एक ऐसा साल है जो सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यादगार रहेगा, बिकॉज इट जस्ट चेंज्ड ऑल द स्टेटस कोज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड। ऑन अ पर्सनल नोट, मेरे लिए इट्स बिन एन अमेजिंग ईयर। मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाइव शोज़ किए हैं अलग अलग जगहों पे, ऐसी जगहों पे जहाँ मैं शायद कभी पहले नहीं गई हूँ, न सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में बट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। और उसके अलावा ये साल इसलिए स्पेशल था क्योंकि कुछ सालों के बाद मेरा एक सिंगल आया था जिसका नाम है सजन मैं नाचूंगी। करदा है जी के आज फ्लोर हिला दूं, सैया की आएगी बारात, नशीली होगी रात, सजन मैं नाचूंगी, सजन मैं नाचूंगी। डीजे से कह दो एक बात, बजाए सारी रात, सजन मैं नाचूंगी, सजन मैं नाचूंगी, नाचूंगी, नाचूंगी।
मैं तो 2016 को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा कि इतना मुझे प्रशंसा मिली मेरे आर्ट फॉर्म को। भारत सरकार ने मुझे नेशनल एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड दिया 2016 में। सो आई थिंक इट फील्स वेरी वेरी प्रिविलेज कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से रिकग्निशन मिले जिस आर्टिस्ट को, तो इट्स ऑलवेज एन ऑनर। 2016 में जो कुछ भी हुआ उसको आप चाहे अच्छा हुआ हो या बुरा हुआ हो, उसको अपनी मेमोरी में लेकर के आगे बढ़ें। don't look behind as what happened, but look ahead, and because future is always more important than the past.
There is a lot of new restaurants, new hotels, new things coming up. So I think people from Bombay are very lucky that we are getting some good quality of food with a lot of choices available. And at the same time, we have to learn now to respect. We have to learn how to cook and eat responsibly. And food waste management is very, very important. I think so. Eat well, eat smart, and don't waste food.
We always hear from urban India how women have struggled and have proved themselves. However, today we introduce you to a woman from rural India who has set an example for others in rural parts. A 70-year-old lady, Shantabai from district of Kolhapur, is the first lady barber from rural Maharashtra. She is one perfect example of a true women power. More in this report.
When life throws challenges on women, she gathers the courage to take it and go ahead in life. One such example is the story of Shantabai, a 70-year-old lady from the rural part of Maharashtra. Shantabai Shripati Yadav is the first female barber from Hasur Sasgiri village in Kolhapur district of Maharashtra. Her journey as a barber is an extraordinary and inspiring. Shantabai changed her life out of the traditional stereotype and went on to become the first female barber from Maharashtra. How it happened was a game of destiny, but what needs to be applauded is Shantabai's courage.
पूरे 35 साल गुजर चुके हैं मेरे पति की मृत्यु को। उनकी मौत के बाद मेरा कोई सहारा नहीं था। बस इनका काम था तो मैंने सोचा अकेले ही सब करना है और 4 बेटियों को पालना भी था। इसलिए मैंने इनका काम शुरू कर दिया। तकलीफें तो बहुत आई लेकिन मैंने हार नहीं मानी। मेरे बुरे वक्त पर हरिभाऊ जो सभापति हैं, उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया। वो मेरे पहले कस्टमर थे। फिर मैं दूर गांव-गांव जाकर काम करने लगी।
Initially, the villagers found that whatever she was doing is foolish and did not support her. But nothing destroyed Shantabai's spirit.
गेली 40 वर्षे करत हा ह्यांचा व्यवसाय।
शांताबाई पहली महिला है हमारे गांव की जिन्होंने ये काम किया है। उन्होंने अपनी 4 बेटियों को इसी काम के बल पर पाला पोसा है। उन्होंने गांव-गांव जाकर ये काम किया। शांताबाई एक उदाहरण है उन तमाम महिलाओं के लिए जो अपने बुरे वक्त पर हार मान लेती हैं।
मेरी नई शादी होकर मैं यहाँ आई थी। अब पूरे 35 साल हो गए हैं शांताबाई के हस्बैंड को गुजरे हुए। तब मेरी सासू माँ थी। शांताबाई उनकी बेटियों को हमारे पास छोड़कर काम पर जाती थी। काम करके शांताबाई ने अपनी 4 बेटियों को बड़ा किया और उनकी शादी भी की। हमसे जितना हो सका हमने उनकी मदद की।
Shantabai is a perfect example of true woman power. This incredible brave woman has proved that in today's world, a woman can take up any manly profession and excel in it as well. With camera person Vishwas Kore from Kolhapur, Tabassum Alex report, DD News, Mumbai.
And that's all we had in this session of the Metro Scan from Mumbai, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye. It's back to you, Rukma.